and welcome to my channel Arabic with Rana. Today in this video we are going to speak about another use of the word what in Arabic. Do we have any other use than what, which is shoe in spoken Arabic? Let's think. Yes, we have. So I will start with the normal use, with the one that is so common that you will know, which is shoe. شو means what. So if I just ask you شو اسمك, شو اسمك, شو بتشتغل, شو عندك, شو بتحب, شو بتعمل. So this شو, the one you already know, which means what. شو عندك اليوم, شو عندك اليوم, what do you have today. شو اسمك, شو اسمك, what's your name. شو بتحب, what do you like, what. شو ما بتحب, what do you don't like. So what don't you like, etc. So this is shoe, the normal thing we know. But the other use of this shoe is actually so much spoken, and it means to a degree, to say how much, how is this great, etc. So for example, yeah, انتي شو حلوة اليوم. Yeah is like, oh my god, and then حلوة and انتي and اليوم. We know what does that mean. Inti is you, feminine. حلوة is beautiful. And then اليوم is today. So inti حلوة اليوم. You are good, you are beautiful, you are nice today. So why is شو? Why do we say شو? شو? inti شو حلوة اليوم. Why is this شو is there? What is it doing there? So I will tell you what's doing. It's just to say to a degree, means like, oh my god, you look spectacular. Wow, how much you are beautiful. You won't say يي كم انتي حلوة اليوم. No, we would just say يي شو انتي or انتي شو حلوة اليوم. So this is how would we do it. For example, يي شو بحب جبنة. Wow, oh my god, how much I love cheese. يي شو بحب مدينتي. يي شو بحب أمريكا, سوريا, الجزائر, مصر, etc. So I would just say يي شو بحب, شو حلو, شو طويل. يي شو طويل. How much he's tall. Oh my god, he's so tall. يي شو كبيرة هالمدينة. Wow, how much is this city big. So this is how would we use this shoe. This is the second use of this shoe, and it's so much spoken. So it's not real, you will not hear it so much, but if you heard it and you saw that it's not logical to have it there in a sentence, then it means to what degree or how much. This is what it means. I hope you like this video. As usual, if you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget the bell button so you can use all the videos, you can watch them when they are published. Now, I will see you in next videos. Take care and مع السلامة.